Jinan FANUC CNC Servo Tower Punch Press has many performance features, high speed, high precision, and energy saving. It adapts advanced mechanical servo ram head, and the marketing frequency is 1500 2000 CPM. FANUC machine is equipped with high configuration, FANUC CNC control system with multi-axis linkage function, the tower with self-lubrication ductile iron structure, rotating station with worm and gear no-gap structure, Rexroth ball screw, THK linear guides and other world-renowned brands components to guarantee the stable and high-performance driving accuracy. FANUC machine supports multifunctions of punching, wheeling, tapping, forming.